Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
The Supreme Court today has continued its ban on the registration of diesel vehicles in the Delhi NCR region. Remember that last time in January, the Supreme Court had upheld NGT's order in which they had banned the registration of diesel vehicles in the Delhi NCR region. Now, this time, the taxi owners had approached the Supreme Court and had asked for an extension on the diesel run cabs in the Delhi NCR region, and the Supreme Court has provided an extension to the cab owners to convert their diesel run taxis into CNG, and a 1 month extension has been given to them, which means that there's a time till April 30th that the Supreme Court has given to them. An important thing to note here is that the bench headed by Chief Justice of India T.S. Thakur has also talked about that the court may lift the ban on the diesel vehicles provided if the car manufacturers come up with an environmental compensation charge, which is going to be 25 to 30% of the vehicle's cost. In fact, the Supreme Court has taken a cue from the centre, which had earlier cleared the use of diesel vehicles on the SPG vehicles and the government vehicles as well.
All right, now Deepa also caught up with Anumita Roy Chaudhary, Executive Director, Centre for Science and Environment, and asked her about the impact of this Supreme Court decision. Listen in.
I have been joined by Miss Anumita Roy Chaudhary, Executive Director, CSE. Ma'am, thanks a lot for talking to Magic Picks now. Today, a landmark judgment really once again. Now, there are two major things that have happened in the Supreme Court. I want you to tell us what exactly were the two headlines.
I think a very crucial message that has come from the court today is the fact that the current ban on 2000cc engine diesel cars will continue till the time they come back with the formula on how to impose environment compensation charge on all diesel cars, for the simple reason that diesel cars pollute more, diesel emissions are more toxic. But the very big, and that's really the landmark, is the fact that the government of India has agreed to pay 30% environment cess on diesel cars that they are buying for SPG, the Special Protection Group. Now, that's a very important a statement to make. It sets a very good precedence that it's an application of polluter pay principle, that polluting vehicles will have to pay an environment cess. So I think that has really set the trend for the future.
Ma'am, once again, the Supreme Court has given 1 month's extension to the CNG cars, to the diesel cars to convert into CNG, and the individual taxi drivers and the cab drivers are complaining that not everyone is financially, sound enough to actually convert it into a CNG in 1 month's time. Do you really think that this can work in a period of 1 month? And also, apart from Delhi, there are other metros like Mumbai and Pune where this problem is existing, and we've been talking about it earlier as well. How do you see a solution in the near future?
So, the point is pretty well made that we cannot have diesel and especially Delhi NCR, which is the most polluted segment in the world. So this is a low emission zone. So you will really need this kind of stringent action. Now, for that, court has been pretty sensitive to the idea, and they have given them another month to convert. The other question that overall for the country, so what Delhi is doing today has really created a very good template for the rest of the country to follow. It gives an opportunity to all other cities of the country to come up with their own cleaner action plan and take a leaf from the learning curve that we're beginning to see here. Now, this is confined within NCR because the ambit of the court case is NCR. But we would certainly hope that the governments in other parts of the country will also respond to the public health crisis that we are facing today and take the same stringent action.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.